let's get the framework. So from the link, you can copy it. And then if you open IntelliJ, you can go to New Project from Version Control. On some systems, I think it says like get from VCS, which stands for Version Control System. Git is a version control system. So you'll paste the link into the URL. If Git is configured correctly, you can just clone it right away. You'll see down here a little progress bar, and then I'm going to open it in this window. But then the last thing is you have to configure a few things. Let's close all these things. So some stuff you have to configure. Right, so we see papplet isn't recognized, pvector isn't recognized. These are all classes that are defined inside core.jar here. So you can select core.jar, or you could select the entire lib folder, right-click, and go down to Add as Library. Another thing you might need to configure is you might need to configure the SDK, which stands for Software Developers Kit. You go to File, Project Structure, and then for a lot of people this might say no SDK. If you're on a Mac, you need to use 1.8. If you don't have 1.8, I can show you where to download it. The language level has to match the SDK level. So 1.8 has a language level of 8. So you've got to set all of those up to match, and then hit OK, and it should work. I hope that that was helpful.